Hi MIT, I'm Kelly Ng, one of the library assistants on campus, and I'm here to show you how to look up biographical information on an author using the database Gale Literature Research Center. And with that, let's get started. Here, we're on the MIT Library's homepage. We're going to hover over the Search tab and select Vera. And once we're on Vera, I like to select Databases up here. Since we know what database we want to use, I'm going to search for Gale and select Gale Literature Resource Center. And if you're not already logged in, it'll ask you to do so using your MIT Kerberos account. Once you're on the Gale site, you will want to select Person Search on the right side of the screen. Today, we know the name of the author we want to look up, but in case you didn't, you can always look up authors based on gender, time period, literary movement, or another identifier under the More options. But today, we're going to search for the author Zadie Smith, so I'm going to type that in the search bar. You can also search for Smith, Zadie, and it should give you the same results. So here we're going to select Smith, Zadie. And as you can see, you have a number of results, but we're going to narrow it down to biographies. And there are 12 biographical essays to choose from, though as you can see, there are other categories of material that might also be useful in your research. Now you can look through the list to see which article might be the best source for you. Some articles are more general than others. The more specific ones tend to have information about what critics have said about the author's work. But today, I'm going to scroll down and select a general biographical essay called Zadie Smith. And once you've selected the article, you can start reading it right away. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful, and happy searching.